and welcome back to Money Talks with Mohan Krishna Rao, the show where money meets logic and where your financial illusions meet reality. Today's episode is not a happy one because it is about how lakhs of people are being fooled in the name of live trading, stock market tips and shortcut profits. If you've ever watched a YouTube video that showed 10,000 becoming 1 lakh in 5 minutes, or followed a Twitter guy who claims 90% accuracy in options trading, then you, my friend, are in a danger zone. Let's bring the man who's been warning people about this for over a decade. Economist and educator, Shri Mohan Krishna Rao. Welcome back, sir.
Thank you, Niti, and you're right. This is a tough but much needed episode because greed is real and it's being sold online every day in the name of live trading, masterclasses and quick fix trading courses.
So let's start with this. Why are people falling for some of the old traps again and again?
Because it's a beautifully packaged lie, Niti.
Okay.
See, human brains are wired to chase reward with least effort, and trading scammers have understood this psychology. They show edited P&L screenshots, fake live trades and crazy returns like 100% in a day. They run Telegram groups with 1 lakh fake members and bots saying, "Thank you Guruji." People end up spending rupees 5,000 to 50,000 on advanced option trading workshops. Hours watching random live trades that are cherry-picked and replayed. And in the end, they lose 2 lakhs to 20 lakhs in just few months.
True, sir. Even I've seen a lot of people burn their money. But and the worst part is that they blame themselves and think that maybe I'm not cut out for this.
But the problem is not you. The problem is you're trying to be a trader without training like one. Look, a trader's mindset is like an IIT topper or Harvard PhD. It requires hours of chart reading, psychological discipline and practice with data and review and rule-based execution. But what are people doing? Watching motivational reels and hoping to become millionaire by Friday?
So, sir, what should a serious trader do, assuming they genuinely want to learn?
Oh, that's a great question, Niti. We created a Intraday 45 exactly for that. A 45 days hands-on program, not 3 hours Zoom lecture, not a PDF with 10 chart patterns. This is how it works. Day 1 to 5, learn trading view and chart reading. Day 6 and 7, learn your rule-based intraday strategy. Day 8 to 45, take real trades, daily review with mentor. No fluff, no fake calls. You start with one quantity and master the execution. Then slowly scale up. The best part, you can realistically aim for 3 to 4% monthly net profit.
Whoa, so that sounds more like a fitness training than finance. And you're saying that it actually works?
Yes, because it's built on focus, repetition and feedback. You don't need to learn 10 strategies, just one, but learn it deeply. And over time, your skills, consistency and confidence grow.
So this is like doing a push-up for 45 days straight instead of buying a six-pack t-shirt.
Yes, there are no shortcuts in fitness or trading. Just science, repetition and coaching.
Love it. And what is the investment?
The full course is rupees 15,000, but for now it's available at rupees 10,000, all taxes included. And we start a new batch every 15 days. You can enroll at www.mqedu.in.
So if you're someone who's tired of tip groups, Telegram gamblers, watching YouTube P&L screenshots, attending one free webinar after the other, then maybe, just maybe, it's time to stop scrolling and start learning.
Let me end with this, Niti. If you ever meet a so-called trading guru who shows you 100% returns in a day, ask them, where is your audited track record? If they avoid or distract, just run. Because real traders don't sell dreams, they sell discipline.
And that's why we love having you, sir. So if you're watching this and if you want to become a confident trader, not a confused one, join the 45-day journey on www.mqedu.in. Master one strategy, trade daily. Learn profitably, the right way. Until next time, this is Neeti signing off from Money Talks with Mohan Krishnarao. Stay real, stay smart and stay profitable.